Hello friends, welcome to webTuts. I am Mohammad Nadeem. Now today I am going to continue work on PHP secure login and registration script. This is the last video of this series. If you didn't watch my previous video of this series, I would like to recommend you to watch that videos first. Now in this tutorial, we will learn how to send forgotten password to email using PHP with the help of PHPMailer from localhost to web. After click the link, user can reset their password. So now I am going to start coding. So first of all, I would like to create a new file, that's a forgetpassword.php. So now I'm just right click on my project and create a new file, forget password.php. Now finish. Now I just want to link this file, so that is the forget password, and give the link forget password.php. Now test everything is fine or not. Echo hello. Refresh it. Forget password. Yes, file is successfully linked. So now we need to just start coding. So first of all, we declare doc type HTML, then HTML. Under this we need to open head section, close head section, title, give the title, login and registration form, then link my style sheet. That's the style.css. Relation is equal to style sheet. Now close this. Now open body tag, create a div and declare a ID. So ID would be a wrapper. Close div. So first of all we need to just create again a div ID is equal to, I'm using login container ID for this form also, and under this ID we need to open a form, and form ID is form forget frm form forget name is equal to form forget and method would be post. Now close the form, then open h3 tag, give the heading forget password, and we just need to open input tag, input type is equal to email name is equal to user dash email placeholder, enter a valid email, and that would be required. Now again input tag open, system type submit, value also submit, name is equal to forget password, and id is equal to forget password. Now I think we have completed forget password form. We need to just check it. Yeah, that is fine. Forget password heading, enter a valid email and submit. Okay, now now it's time to work on some PHP code. So at the beginning we just start ob underscore start for the flash, and now require first of all connection. My database connection is inc underscore db connection, and db connection dot php. I think db connection dot php. I just copy it, then paste it. Now just put condition if is set, sorry, dollar underscore post, that is the value of forget password. Now check if not empty, dollar underscore post user email, then simply trim dollar email is equal to trim dollar underscore post user email semicolon. Now else we store some error messages. I've just created a variable error message. Under this we open a list li, and email is required. If condition is false, then that matter will be displayed /li semicolon our email is required. Now if empty, suppose error message is empty, then dollar query is equal to $db instantiate of my database connection $db prepare, then select uh, I'm just checking my table table field name, email, password. Select name, email from users, where email is equal to question mark, now semicolon, now this time $query, execute, execute array $email semicolon $user equal to $query, fetch all PDO, type fetch sock underscore sock, now semicolon. Now if error message is empty, then run this query and if not not empty $user, it's mean we find the user email in database. Then just for the checking purpose, I'm going to put some script type is equal to text oblique java script script alert $message is equal to yes semicolon, then close the script, semicolon. Now require once forget password, we just call a file which I didn't create yet, so I will create it later. Now we just give the some name, password mail.php, else error message is equal to no email found semicolon. Now this time I'm just putting the comments here, so now we just check it's working or not. So I'm just putting inverted comma here. Now we need to check query is run successfully or not, so I'm giving the name here ajay@gmail.com, submit. Now yes, it's mean our query is working fine, so now need not to this line, so just remove or comment it. Now I have commented and uncomment my password forget mail.php file. So now it's time to create this file. Before we create this file, I just need to put some error message after the forget password heading. So I just put php tag uh, and check condition if is set dollar error message. If is set error message, then open curly braces and close braces. Under this we just need to open div class success message success dash success underscore message. I'm just putting the class name which I didn't create. Sorry, not success, it's error message, error or error message. And now close div and between div we just need to print our error messages. So just put echo dollar error message. Now style this file, style this class error message. So I am going to just open style.css and at the bottom you need to just put error message class name and then font weight bold, color red, semicolon. This is our error message. Now everything looks fine, so we need to go further and create file which is name is forget password mail.php. So just right click on my project and click on php file, put the name, then finish. Before we write any code in forget mail.php, I want to just check the error messages of this form. So I'm just putting any garbage email id and then submit. That's work, no email found. So I think it's working fine. Now it's time to write some code in my mail. So for the forget mail I need to just install PHPMailer class. So I'm just going to my cmd or command prompt. I already have Composer in my system, so I just need to go in my app project path, then install the dependencies of PHPMailer. So I'm just going to my project. Now type the command composer require PHPMailer mailer. So by this I will get the dependencies of PHPMailer. Now press enter. Now it's installing. Now it has been done. So now yeah, composer.json I have, and vendor also copied. So now everything is installed. So just need to put include this file require once and vendor slash check the file name vendor slash phpmailer, sorry, autoload.php. So it will be autoload and now $mail create a object. So $mail is equal to new and phpmailer slash phpmailer then slash phpmailer semicolon. Now we have created that object of PHPMailer. I have created the object. So now it's time to enable the debug mode. So SMTP debug is equal to 3 for the enable debug mode, and I'm just putting the some comments here. Just need to input comments. Enable SMTP debug mode. Now we also use SMTP mailer. Actually, in this project I am using Gmail account, so we need to use SMTP set PHP mailer to use SMTP. So now set it dollar mail x is SMTP function. So now it will call SMTP function, and also need to set host name. Set host name for the SMTP. So dollar mail host is equal to smtp.gmail.com. That is the host name, semicolon. Now check if SMTP host require authentication send mail. So we need to just put the code dollar mail mail, then call smtp auth. SMTP auth is equal to true, because we want to send email for authentication. So just put the comments here. Set this true if SMTP host require authentication to send mail. Okay, definitely we need to authenticate the accounts, then send the mail, and then provide username and password. Provide username and password. So I have just commented, and then put the credential dollar mail username is equal to, for the demo purpose I have already created email account, that is the same sample php mail at gmail.com, and semicolon. Now for the password, I have put some password here, and tell the encryption type. So dollar mail smtp secure is equal to TLS, semicolon. Now provide the port. So dollar mail, I have my target port is 587, semicolon. Now dollar mail from is equal to admin at webtuts at gmail.com. This email doesn't present right now, but I have just put for the demo purpose. Now we need to put the from name. So $mail from name is equal to Muhammad Nadeem semicolon. Now approx everything I have done. So now we need to get the address where we need to send. Add address and $post where we want to send. So we need to just go back in forget password.php and get the name here, user email, and now put this here, $post user mail semicolon, and then $mail is HTML parameter, need to pass true. And now mail subject is equal to forget password recovery semicolon. Now mail body is equal to inverted comma. Small body I'm giving in under the div tag. So div dot $user, and there's a multi-dimensional array. So $user, and then access the name dot, and now put some br tag, br, then paragraph. Click here to recover your password, again line break, and then sorry br tag, then need to open ahref is equal to, put this here, and then I need to put here some URL. So right now I'm giving this, and then not this, I'm just providing actual URL here. So http colon localhost // actually need not to put here full URL. I'm just define the URL at the top. So at the top we need to just define, put the define keyword, then project name, project underscore name, comma, and under the inverted comma I put just http colon slash slash localhost slash test. I think that's enough. That's the my project path. So I'm just putting under the project name. So I just define the project name and I will use it here. So just under the href we need to concatenate. So project name, then reset. Now again call a new file reset password .php and then question mark name is equal to again concatenate dot dollar user and in zero dimensional array and 0 to access name and now I think everything looks fine under the a tag and then out of the anchor tag project name again dot then enter project name dot then under the inverted comma call the file reset password dot php. So copy it reset password dot php question mark name is equal to and concatenate dollar user 0 x2 and access name dot then put inverted comma and then close anchor tag, give some br tag, again br tag, then close p tag and then put some text regards br tag admin, then close the div inverted comma semicolon. Now I think I have done the body tag. So now just check if $mail send function then not send, then error message is equal to mailer error dot $mail access error info, now semicolon, else success message is equal to message has been sent successfully. Now semicolon. Now just put the success message in forget PHP file. So this is the error message, and now here we put success message PHP if not empty dollar success message, and then open braces and close braces here under this. Now put here div class success message and then PHP echo dollar success message. Now style this class success message and style.css. Now font weight bold, color green, semicolon. Now hope I have done everything. So now just we need to check. So before we need to check, we should uncomment this line. So when user variable get any result, then it will be forward to forget mail forget password mail dot php, and then here it will be send mail to particular as particular email id. So now just save it and now check, put the email id, now submit, require once auto load. Okay, there is something error in line number 2. So now we need to check it. Auto load vendor autoload dot php hai, that's the file is when autoload dot php. Now save it and reload it. Continue. Invalid opponent code admin at webtuts at gmail.com. Okay, yeah, that's the wrong. Yeah, admin at webtuts, yeah, that is the wrong. So I have just removed it, and now I think everything is would be work. So now just refresh this page and check it. Now I'm just putting my email id and check it, submit, and now SMTP connect failed, troubleshooting. Okay, there is something again, we got error, so we need to check it. No issue. First of all, that is the project name, and project at last should be slash, and now further, that is the host, it should be capital, first letter should be capital host, and as well as port also, port be capital. Now I think everything is looks fine, so we need to just again check it. Now I've refreshed it and again put the id at gmail.com, submit. Now message has been successfully sent. Okay, and further this thing has been displayed something warning or something another things. So we just need to put debug is equal to 0 and save now, and it will not display in future because we have debug mode disabled. So this message would be displayed only message has been sent successfully. Now we need to check our message. Yeah, that is, I got message Mohammed Deem. Click here to recover your password. My address is localhost test reset password dot php name is equal to Muhammad. So now when we just click over here, now localhost open, and but unfortunately page not found because reset password dot php we didn't create. So I just copy this name, and here I need to make a file. Just right click and click on php file, reset php dot password dot php, and finish. Now at this file we just open doc type doc type doc, doc type html. Now simply open html, head tag. Under the head we need to give title, reset password, that would be title. Link style sheet, so simply style.css relation is equal to style sheet. Now close. So now just open the body tag. So here we need to just open a div id is equal to, so I'm giving id login container. We have already styled this div, so we simply choose login container and then form id, reset password, reset password, name is equal to reset password, and method would be post. Now close the form. Under this form we open h3 tag, and under the heading we need simply give reset password and input type password, that is the reset password should copy. Now input type password, id also password, name is equal to password, just copy it. Placeholder, enter a new password, and that should be required. Now close bristles, and then input type confirm password. So we just need to copy this line and paste. So that would be confirm password, FIRM confirm password. confirm password. That is also required. Now input type submit value reset password name is equal to reset dash password id is equal to reset dash password. Now close this. Now I think I have completed the form, but something said error in this line, so that is the input is not correct. Now it looks fine. So now we need to just work on our PHP code. So first of all, we need to require our database connection file and c underscore slash db connection dot php. Now if is set dollar underscore post, and post would be reset password. So copy this line variable. Now put it here. Now check dollar name is equal to what user get. User click the name value, so we get this value name as well as I think only name he would be he get. So now password is equal to trim dollar underscore post, and that name would be this password semicolon, and confirm password confirm password and now we get it also confirm password. Now compare it. If not equal dollar confirm password as well as password. If not equal to password as well as confirm password, then no, this time I think that would be password. If confirm password, then we need to just hash the password. Password is equal to password underscore hash now dollar password comma password default semicolon. Now write query STMT statement is equal to $db prepare update users my table name set password is equal to question mark, where name is equal to question mark. Now statement execute, execute error, under this error password comma name, now semicolon. Now affected rows is equal to statement row count semicolon. Now check if affected rows, it's mean if affected rows true, then dollar success message is equal to password is reset successfully. Now br tag, now you can log in. Now you we will redirect to log in the page. So now give the message, now you are redirecting, you are redirecting semicolon header. After some delay user can redirect login page, so refresh colon 3, it's mean after the 3 second user will be redirect index.php main login page semicolon, else dollar error message is equal to failed, failed failed password not updated semicolon, and now if password not confirm, then else dollar error message is equal to password not matched, password not matched semicolon. Now I think I have complete the form. Now we need to just put success message as well as error message in our form. So now just copy success message and here we need to put PHP if not empty dollar success message, then open div tag, div class success message. Now close this div and between this open and close div we put some PHP code. So just print success message, and same I need to copy for the error message. This time error message, copy this error message field and now paste it here, and that's error message error message equal error message. Now I think everything looks great. So now just go there and again enter this. Now check again this file nadeem.phps@gmail.com. Submit. Now message has been sent successfully. Now check it. Yeah, the 0 minutes ago. So that's one. Click this. Now reset password. Enter new password, confirm password. So I just put something, and here something different. Reset password not matched. Okay. So now I am giving 12345. 12345. Reset password. Password is reset successfully. Now you are redirecting. Okay, let's see we are redirecting or not. So now we are not redirecting. I think this is some problem in our refresh code. So now refresh R should be capital, and now that's the problem. URL is not colon, is equal to index.php. Now save it and just check it and refresh this page again and put some password and confirm password. Now reset password. Yeah, we have successfully reset and now redirect. Yeah, we are redirected in index.php. So now user can log in with their credential. So we have just completed secure PHP login registration as well as forget password series. Under this series we also learn how to send email from localhost to Gmail. Hope you enjoy a lot. We will get back soon with the new tutorials. Now take care. Bye bye.